see us ready for this 14-hour journey. How fun. So, I'm actually... There's loads of people here, I don't want to talk to them. So I haven't actually vlogged any of today at all. We basically got off the coach this morning at 7:30. I'm literally just sat here editing this, and I hate doing these inserts, but there were so many people here and I just wasn't used to filming in front of loads of people. So yeah, I got really nervous. I didn't really vlog. There was like 20 of us, I think, 20 to 30 of us on this boat, and so I was just quite embarrassed to film like myself. But we basically got off the coach at 7:30. Literally went straight to a hostel, dumped our stuff in like a locker, and then went straight to the boat port to get the boat. We're about to go on this 2-day, 2-night Whitsundays tour. So yeah, now you can understand why you don't really see my face in a lot of this, because I'm just too nervous. Whitsundays, and I'm currently swimming in Whitehaven Beach. It's so salty. I can't get over how clear the water is. You can literally see everything. That's what I like, because the petrified was underneath in the sea, e.g. sharks and anything can kill you basically.